My name's Andrew and I'm a director and co-founder of Cloud Dolphin. Cloud Dolphin are a UK-based cloud backup provider, and we're very proud to only have data centres within the UK, meaning data sovereignty is within the borders of the country and it will never go outside. So what's really important to us when we take on new clients is that their data is safely and completely transferred across to our servers. The transition period is something that we stay very close to make sure that all the data is completely and successfully backed up. The client feedback that we've had so far with our software is that it's very simple to use, and our customers like it, and our customers' customers like it even more. As well as being one of the directors and co-founders of Cloud Dolphin, I'm also one of the directors and founders of Trusted Dolphin. And as a Trusted Dolphin member, you will benefit from substantial discounts for our cloud backup solutions.